70,000 square foot industrial building. Has a 4,000 square foot attachment that's closest to me as I'm taking this video. Ceilings are about 34 feet high. These are some before pictures, so that when we reside it and redo the whole outside of the building, you get a good idea of what it looks like before and after. This is a little close-up of the 4,000 square foot addition. Not quite sure why they have that little siding section off to the side of the building. There's really no use for it, even when you look on the inside of the building. So we're going to remove those windows out and the gutter, downspouts, take all that siding off of there. I installed that block. We cut the siding and installed 5 courses of block, because as you can see, the siding used to go down below grade and it was all rotted out. So we came in and put block up there. This is coming around the back side. We have another building attached to it. It's 17,000 square feet. We got a big silo, because it used to be a concrete batch plant. Taking the windows out already. That's looking back down from where I just came. Let's see, we put the block in over there. Gonna replace that garage door. Take those beams right here, take all those out. Remove all these sections here, and there, and there, and there. Gonna relocate the electric. Take the silo out. That building right there was over attached to the side of this building. Right there, we already moved that out. Alright, here we are coming around the corner of the newer section. This is property. There's a couple office trailers over there that we'll utilize in the future. There's a 140-ton crane that I bought with the property. It goes up 210 feet in the air. It's an enormous crane. You can see all those concrete products. They had to move from inside the building. They weigh about 5 to 10 tons. Some of them weigh more than 10 tons. There's the back side of the newer section. Alright, this is the older section attached to the newer section. We're going to reside all of that. And this is just the back area here where these big concrete containers are. That's the crane. Alright, this is the new section of the building inside. It's fully insulated. There's my guys up on my JLG 120. They're just cleaning all the old metal building insulation. We've already done the other side over here. We already cleaned all that. I don't know if you can see from the video, but that looks white. And when you get up to the ceiling, you can see how dark it was before. Big difference when we clean it. But this is a great building. It's right around 17,000 square feet. Got 2 garage doors, radiant tube heaters, 3 cranes, overhead cranes. You can see the The red cranes down there. As I look down this way, you can see some of the other sections that are older that we're going to have to paint and redo down there. And then there's another bay there. There's 4 old bays and 1 newer bay. The 4 older bays make up about 50,000 square feet. Alright, this is one of the older sections. It's got 3 10-ton cranes in it. We took all the wall panels out along this wall already. And we've taken all of the sheeting off of this side of the building. We're going to be putting all brand new exterior metal sheeting on it. Let's give you a close up. We got a little snorkel lift down there. That red scissor lift is one that we just rented. The snorkel lift's mine. Another close-up shot. You can see how dirty the beams are and old. They need scraped, cleaned, pressure washed, primed, and then painted. We're going to take all these girts out right here, down here, open all this up. This is the batch plant, the cement mixing plant that the old guy had, planning on selling this. The tipple's right outside. And we haven't taken down the sheeting yet on this wall, but this gives you kind of a good idea of what we start with. We've already started to take some of the electric off the walls. Got the radiant boxed heaters up above. But get a good idea how filthy and dirty this place is right now anyway. The beams, rust. Gives you a good idea. Garage door down there. That's our excavator. See it? So this is the end of the building here. That's our snorkel lift right there. Goes up about 60 feet. And there's a garage door. And then you can see these windows here and here. Those windows were all along the top of these beams all the way down. We had to remove the windows, and then underneath the windows there was a bunch of sheeting and electrical. We've removed part of that so far, but not all of it. Coming down, that's our excavator. And there's some windows up above that garage door. We're going to put new windows in. An entrance. I'm going to come in this way. We've been working for the last couple weeks on the first and second bay in here. I just got done showing you bays 3 and 4, but this is the result of a lot of effort. I got 6 guys on the job. That was our block that we installed. We've pressure washed, degreased, sanded, grinded all the beams in here. You can see there's overspray on the walls, but we're not worried about that because we're taking all that sheeting down and we're going to put insulation in and all brand new sheeting on the outside. So that'll all look brand new when we get done with it. These 2 bays that you can see through had walls, just like the walls over here, the sheeting. They had sheeting all the way up and down these walls, all the way down. We've removed all that, all the electric, well, most of the electric, and gone through and You can see my guy in the background back there. That's William. He's painting the beams, painting some of the conduit. But came down here. We've stopped. We've already repainted these cranes brand new yellow, safety yellow. And once he gets done painting bay number 2, which is that bay over there, all the way down to this point, then we'll move the cranes down and he'll finish up this last section. And back there, that's 4,000 square feet of office space in that little addition that you saw in the very first video that I took. There's our forklift, and we got a couple, we got a skid loader and another skid loader. But we're coming along. This whole section here is just about finished up when we get done with the painting. Then we're going to move to bay 3 and 4. After we do bay 3 and 4, then we're going to resheet everything, then hose the floors down, and hopefully we'll be getting that done right around the end of October.